Hi, okay, today we're looking at TED-Ed, which is a site which is all about lessons worth sharing. You can make lessons using any YouTube videos, and we're going to try and have a look at how we can do it really simply with 5 minutes worth of instructions. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to click on Create a Lesson. Then I just type in some key search words for a video that I want to use. Press Enter. Okay, you see some options there. I pick the one that I'm after. Alright, that's the one. Then we press Launch Lesson Editor. Okay, once we get in here, we can see the first thing we want to do is to change the title. It takes the name of the YouTube video as a default. I'm going to call it something a bit different. Alright, at the top here is the next part. It says let's begin. This is where we put a description of what the lesson is about, and that's where you can also put in lesson outcomes. If it is connected to a syllabus, you just put them in here. So this lesson okay. Okay, just making that up there. Now, as you can see, here's the video. Watch is the default. Everything else here is an option. You can exclude any of these if you do not want to go into that level of depth for your lesson. Okay, so the first one is the Think option. It's where you can create simple questions to check if your learners have been engaged with your video. Here we go. We can create a multiple choice question. Okay, can be as basic as you like. You can also provide video hints. If there's a specific part of the video that this question relates to, you can put the time that it is so that if they get it wrong, it'll actually go to that point in time so they can review and try to get the correct answer. So, put a couple of options in. What's really important here is it won't let you go on until you select one that is the correct answer. It's obviously cat. Next, we've previewed. I'm happy with that. We can save it. Alright, now we want to just create one other question for us. There's an open answer style question. This means it's a short answer, so they will have the answer saved on their account and you'll be able to review it also. So I might go, what feedback would you give Keyboard Kitty for his performance? Question mark. Save, preview, and that's all done. You can sort your questions as well, but I don't need to because they're already in order. Dig deeper is where you can go into a bit more depth in terms of the theory. So in this case, I might just give you some background information on Keyboard Kitty from the wiki. Copy, paste it into here. Oops. There. Okay. Now, the next one you can have as an option is discuss. Okay, I can add a discussion here. So, are cats better musicians than dogs? And that'll be an open discussion which people can add to, kind of like a forum. And you can preview that and save. And finally, this is where you put the information on perhaps about the arts unit, about the actual performance itself, but really importantly, this is where you're going to put the information on where they can go to next, recommended videos that can continue them on their learning journey. Okay, so I might say, if you want to learn more about musical animals, please watch, and then I'm going to put in a link. See here, these are formatting, but this one actually means that you're adding a URL link. So if you've got a different video you want them to watch, just copy that, put that in here, and it's going to be, that's what it's going to appear as, and there you go. You can also put in pictures. We know that pictures are always more engaging for learners, very visual. Pop that in there and you can see I've got my little dog in there. Okay, I want to preview my lesson because I don't know if I will have missed something, spelling, get someone else to look over it maybe, and you can see it's all there. One last thing I wanted to show you was if you are in here and you decide one of them's not really relevant, maybe I don't want to know people's opinions about cats and dogs playing, I'm going to press exclude. So some videos, if they're very short in particular, you may not want to go into too much depth, but the option is there if you'd like it. Okay, then I'm going to go publish. When I press publish, it's going to give me options to share it through social media and also via email. So that's where you're definitely going to email it to yourself and let one of us know that it's been done. Thank you.